Welcome to an Instagram video. Not the same things go on or go down when it comes to Instagram videos. They're very quick, fast. Well, not quick because it takes the same amount of time in a sense with less talking. Surprisingly, I got great response from some of you, which got me more excited and thought about making this longer and more in detail. Initially, this video was only an Instagram video, and therefore I didn't do much talking nor explaining of the products. I just went ahead and applied my makeup like I always do. Not only that, but my AC was on throughout the whole video. So I decided to make this a voiceover. Let's begin. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already filled in. Now all I'm doing is going in with my concealer, and I'm using Nars in the shade Ginger just to clean underneath the eyebrows. For the eyeshadow, I'm going with another product, which I will show you in a bit. But for now, let me buff this out because we don't want any streaks on this bomb eyeshadow that I'm about to do. So this is P. Louise, and I love this product. I am going with a lighter shade because I'm using bright and intense colors and I want them to pop. Starting off with Kylie's palette, and we're gonna go in with, I believe, Melon. The names here are so confusing. I don't even know which one's which because they have the names in the back of the packaging. Anywho, we started with this bright orange. I did start it off lightly. I didn't want to overdo it. Then we're going with this yellow from Jaclyn Hill's palette, and we're going to blend them together. Still checking. You gotta check. That's looking good in all the angles that you can. Okay, now I am adding a deeper orange. I don't know the name of it. I'll probably write it down right over here. And then we're going with this flat brush and applying this intense pink. Just look at that intensity of that pink. This pink has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's just a tiny bit. I don't think the camera picks it up, but in pictures you're able to see it. This is the Stilla liner, and this is actually the first time that I tried it, and let me say it was okay. Moving on to the face, priming with Tatcha. I absolutely love this product. I was skeptical, but let me tell you, I keep grabbing it and grabbing it every time I apply my makeup. I definitely recommend it. It is worth every penny. I'm now mixing two foundations. I'm going to mix the Giorgio Armani and the Nars foundation. The Armani one is sheer and Nars is more on the medium side. And I want an in-between. Okay, getting a little too excited right over here. Rock and roll. I just realized my cat was behind me this whole time. I kept tripping out, but now I know that it was a cat. All right, so let's just blend this foundation. Off camera, I applied my concealer, and I'm using Ginger from Nars. We have to blend everything together. Let's set this baby out with Mercier. I'm in my feelings, apparently. Baking, pudding, and all right, girl, that was a little quick for me to explain, but you guys know what I'm doing. Contouring with my favorite contour palette, and that is the NYX contour palette. Making sure that double chin disappears. That only disappears with a diet. To mesh everything together, I'm going with this Marc Jacob bronzer, and I am putting it all over my face using a big fluffy brush to distribute the product nicely and smoothly all over. And of course, I'm adding some blush to this look, and I'm going with this orangey tinted blush from e.l.f. It's lipstick time, and I will use this combo that I typically use very often. It consists of an Italia lip liner pencil in the shade brown, a warm brown. To top it off, I will add Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Dolce. The two of these make a beautiful color, a color that complements my skin. It doesn't look too dark or too light or too warm or too cool. It's just a perfect combination, to be honest. This part is very self-explanatory. I'm adding some BaddieBlashes. They're so fluffy, super dramatic, and I'm definitely getting used to it day by day. Let's blind everyone with this absolutely stunning highlighter from Fenty Beauty. It's a very blinding highlighter. A little goes a long way. I had to learn that the hard way because I went all in the first time. And just like that, we conclude this entire look. If you made it all the way to this point, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram just to see what I'm up to on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.